How's it going, guys? TJ with Truck Brigade, and today I'm just going to do a quick review of our current build that we have going on. This is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500. It's repping the 6.6 turbo diesel engine, and it has a 6.5-foot bed. Now you'll see here we have the Leitner Designs Active Cargo System Forged bed rack. This is my personal truck, so for me it was actually a no-brainer to go this route. The Leitner system is very versatile, as you'll see here momentarily, and it really caters to the outdoor off-road lifestyle. So for starters, I have my GearPod XL that is exclusively provided for Leitner Designs bed racks. In addition to that, behind this Rotopax diesel container, I actually have their universal mounting plate. So that's what's enabled me to secure it here properly. On the other side of the truck bed, I have an additional universal mounting plate that has the water Rotopax. I have the GearPod standard size, and then I have the Leitner Designs HydroPod shower kit. Now behind this XL, you won't be able to see at this moment, is a bracket made specifically by Leitner Designs. It's their GearPod XL MaxTrax bracket, and that has allowed me to secure my MaxTrax boards in place, ultimately freeing up bed space and really making the most of it. In addition to that, on top you'll see is going to be my Rome Vagabond XL rooftop tent. And this is just give you guys a brief idea of what this system's capable of. It can really be designed to cater to your lifestyle. So there's a variety of options to go with, but I thought that this would be a quite short and informative video just so you can kind of get your feet wet with what its capabilities are. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Once again, I'm TJ, and our website is www.truckbrigade.com. We offer a best price guarantee, in-house support 7 days a week, and in addition to that, we have a very expansive, ever-growing product list. So we're an authorized dealer with all the brands we offer, and we work very close with them, so your product will come with a full factory warranty. Until next time, guys, take care.